Steelcase is one of the largest office furniture manufacturers in the country, with a 2021 annual revenue of $1.74 billion. One area where Steelcase wishes to further refine its understanding is in regards to the aluminum extrusion and fabrication processes, as Steelcase outsources all of its extrusion and shares fabrication efforts with its suppliers, such as Ball and Almag. The cost model of aluminum extrusion processing will provide an estimate of prospective cost for a new part. Additionally, when used in tandem with Steelcase's models for internal processing, Steelcase will be able to discern whether that internal processing is competitive with its suppliers in terms of cost, and additionally, decide on a case-by-case basis whether it would be better to insource or outsource the processing of a new part. This team, comprised of Robert Duran, Brennan Pelland, Mohammed Aitzas, and Benjamin Song, was assembled to develop the model in question. The model ultimately uses production volume, product dimensions, cycle time, and the grade of aluminum as the primary cost driver inputs into the system. A snapshot of the model can be seen here. One begins by providing the model an input of the perceived number of machining operations of various types, such as cutting, milling, and drilling, that must take place for the given part to establish an overall manufacturing time. This manufacturing time is then used with Steelcase's comprehensions of labor and machining costs to establish the non-material cost for the part. You can learn more about our model and development process during the WMU Senior Design Conference on Tuesday, April 19th at Floyd Hall. We will be presenting at 8:30 a.m. in room D210, and digital links will be available as well.